iOS 26 is around the corner, and I'm sure that you are excited just like I am also excited. There are a bunch of new software updates we are going to see at WWDC 25, like from few hours away from now. We are going to see iOS 26, iPadOS 26, watchOS 26, macOS 26, VNOS 26, etc. I'm pretty excited, and the main thing for me is definitely going to be the iOS 26. There are going to be a bunch of new things, a new software haul, completely redesign, and more. But in this video, I'm going to share how you will be able to install the iOS 26 right after the WWDC event. So if you are interested to install this update, watch this video until the end. What you need to do is you need to have developer account for if you want to install the iOS 26. So in this video, I'm going to share how you can install, how you can sign up for the developer beta profile without paying as a single penny, and you will be able to install iOS 26 when it will arrive. So let's begin the tutorial.
So over here, what you need to do is simply go to the settings, go to the Safari, and over here, you need to go to the Apple Developer Program. This website, the website is, as you can see the website at developer.apple.com. So over here, you are into this website, and once you are in this website, what you need to do is simply you need to tap these three lines over here. Then you need to find the account option over here and tap on this account option. Now once you are into your account option, as you can see, what you need to do is you need to sign in to the Apple developer using your Apple ID that is on your current iPhone. So whatever the ID is on this iPhone, so let me put that ID. So I am just putting that ID over here, continue with password. I am doing everything. So once you put everything, you will see this page. Now tap on the continue from here and wait for a while. Trust this browser if you want to. That is on you, and it is loading. As you can see, once you are here, there is a document. You just need to, if you want to get latest news or not. I don't want to get, so I just select no and agree and get started. Or maybe you can remind me later, something like that. Whatever, it's totally your choice. Maybe I'm not interested for now. Skip profile setup. And I am into the Apple developer program, and now I need to join this program. So I'm gonna enroll now, enroll today. And now I need to install this app, as you can see. So download on the App Store. Now it will take me to the App Store. You need to install the Apple developer app. Once you have installed the app, open the app, and from there go to the account, and over here sign in again using same ID. So I'm gonna sign in. So after I sign in, I will see the option of create profile. So tap on that, just skip that, and which platform you're interested, select the iOS, and next. And what kinds of app do you want to create? Because you're not interested into creating apps, so just skip it, and skip it, and also skip it, and boom, you are over here. So now you are a registered developer in the Apple. So go back to the settings to see if there is an option. Let me refresh it like this, beta updates. As you can see, there is no option for now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to restart the device to see. Sorry for that. I'm going to restart my device, and I will see you after this. Okay, so I am back. Now my device rebooted. Get into the settings, go to journal, go to software update, and let's see if we have the developer beta profile or not. Get over here, and okay, boom. As you can see, now I am a registered developer of iOS 18. Now when the iOS 26 will arrive, you will automatically see another profile of iOS 26 automatically over here, and selecting on that, you will get the iOS 26 update, and you will be able to install the update. So this is how you will be able to install the iOS 26 on 9th June. For more videos, make sure to subscribe. Peace out.